Yeah, I didn't think about taping this, videoing this, but anyways, this is the Ranger. This knob was broken. So, to get this steering wheel off, you just pop off a clip right there. See those two? Just pop it off with a pick. Undo the bolts right, let's see, where are they? Right there. Then these screws, this comes off like that, if you can see it. Kind of slips in there. And then I got this. I'm looking at this part number. I don't know, it was on a Amazon, real cheap, like 20 bucks or something, or less. So now I'm trying to get this off. Again, I can't film this, but doing that one, I just squeeze this and you pull it off. It's just kind of gummy in there, so I'm gonna have to use some pliers just to grab it. I can't get my fingers in there. Anyway, I had a bitch getting that out, but it just slides right out, so that pops in there like that. If not, you got to take this. I mean, it comes with another wiring harness, but it looks like, I don't know if I can get in there to get it out of there. I think I'd have to take this off. But I'm gonna try it without switching harnesses. So I can't do this with one hand. So yeah, I just want to show you one more thing. On this one, it was broken like that. But on that one, this plastic is broken off, both sides. So again, I just plugged it in, it just slides right in. I'll put a bolt there with one that I showed you, and then I'll put those covers. That's it. Yeah, just one more thing. Everybody that's curious, I just folded this back to see what the button is. There's that little yellow tip. Just barely push it. Pushes down that button on that side. Trying to do this on this side. That's it. That's all it is.